Hi, Kate. What are you doing? Kate is 14 months old today. Had his little surgery yesterday and everything went well. He's a happy boy today and he just figured out how to use a pen to color on a piece of paper. Hi! You coloring? Big boy. The pen's not actually clicked, but he doesn't seem to notice. Hi! Hi, Cadence. What can you say? Say Dada. Dada. Say Dada. Dada. Yeah, has Mommy got a camera? Okay, this may be over. Hi. Hi, Walker. Say hi. Say Dada. Dada. Say Dada. Or Mama. Or Num Num. Yeah, Mommy's behind the camera. Hi, do you see me? Oh. Yeah, I'm right back here. Keeps looking around to see if I'm here. Hi! Oh, yeah, I'm going to show the pen. Hi. Hi. Oh, it's very exciting. I'm going to sit back a little bit so I can see you. But I have a feeling someone's going to follow me. Okay, I think we're done with this. Say bye-bye. 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 Dada. Bye-bye. Dada. Dada. Oh, no, stop that. Dada.